everyone! So, biyahing Baganga po tayo for today. And first stop namin, ayan. Welcome to Yachts Kapehan. Let's try their coffee. And then, yung tsokolate nila masarap daw dito. So, tara, i-try natin. So, ang entrance fee nga pala dito is 50 pesos. May kasama ng libreng kape or tsokolate. So, very sulit guys. Tara, try natin. We're here now at Yachts Kapehan with my friends. Ayan, super busy sila. Mukha ng mga picture. Chocolate at saka black coffee. First stop natin kanina sa Kapehan, Yachts Kapehan. Second stop namin is ito. So we're here now at Aliwagwag Falls. Ayan, ang ganda lang guys. So, buti naman at medyo konti lang nag-travel ngayong araw. It's a Sunday kasi. So, na-explore namin ng mabuti dito kasi most of the time, palagi talagang mataas yung pila dito for pictorial. But this time, kami agad. So, sulit ang pag-biyahe natin. Alright, so, let's go! Kakarating lang po namin. Chill-chill po muna dito.
Hello vlog!
Hi! So we're here now at Baganga, somewhere in a private beach. Because later we will go to some resorts over there. But for now, we have to rest here, chill for a while, and gotta have our lunch before we go explore Baganga. Morning Baganga. Ayan, so it's still 5 AM here. Tulog pa yung mga people. Ayan. Beautiful morning. Alright, so this is already a review of our DJI Osmo Mobile 4. And so super smooth talaga ng kuha if you're using gimbal. Actually, okay lang naman talaga pag handheld. It's up to you na how to get a smooth na video footage. Nakakatulong lang talaga yung gimbal or stabilizers para maayos at saka smooth yung iyong mga videos. So kahit pa tumakbo tayo, ayan, so nakakatulong ang gimbal. So for me, I am actually using DJI Osmo Mobile 4. Na-try ko na kasi yung DJI Osmo Mobile 3 at okay naman yung performance. So upgrade ako ng konti ngayon. So kanina lang we have tried the slow motion, and then itatry natin yung mga ibang features nito, guys. Come on! We still have to explore some other places in here. Right, so samahan niyo kami. Let's go! So guys, andito na kami sa San Victor. Andito ang San Victor sa aking mga kamay. Ayan. Okay. So, abot kamay ko naman na ang San Victor. Unfortunately, we cannot go there kasi bawal. Hindi muna sila tumatanggap ng visitors as of the moment. So, ganito na lang kami. Video. Ayan, so nag-stop over ulit kami dito sa Yachts Capehan for some coffee, of course. Chocolate kasi sobrang lamig na. We're here yesterday and it's so clear. Sobrang ganda ng araw. But this time, pauwi na kami. It's our second day. We stop over here again and see the fogs. Zero visibility and we need some coffee. We ordered bulalugaw nila, bestseller, and puto, chocolate at saka black coffee. Sana yung black coffee? Ayan. Para sa mga drivers na gising. So ayan, let's have some chocolate. Going back home.